how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw MOO DENG, which is a cute little hippo. And yeah, we're going to go over how to draw that really easy and for beginners. So let's get started, okay? So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start immediately. We're going to go right in, okay? So if you do this with me, you will be able to draw this easily. Curve right there for a little curve, like the forehead right there, okay? Pull this down a little bit here on this side. It's going to be facing that way. Pulling out for the small snout, right? Small snout of the creature. For the hippo. Down right here from the face. Curve underneath. Pull up a bit. And then we're going to go right here and draw like another U-type shape right there for the front of his mouth, right? So something about cute characters is like their snout is usually short. Not always, but that, you know, those features are not like fully, you know, out there, stuff like that. So, but yeah, I have a whole ebook on that. You can check that out in the description later on. So I'm going to go over here. It's completely free. Line down over here for the nostrils. Okay, very simple little nostrils right there. We're going to go in now over here. We draw the eye. The eye is... let me see, right here. So just circle right there. And we're going to draw just a little dot right there. It's pretty large. We're making it wiggly because I want it to look like there is a, you know, highlight on there. Line down right here for the open mouth. Down right here on this side for the open mouth. Line, curve underneath there, and then we're going to merge it with this. Okay? Doing really good so far. We're going to fill this shape in here. Let me know what you want to see, by the way, on the channel. If anybody has any suggestions. The channel's growing pretty rapidly, so I'm pretty happy. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. It's only because of you guys that I do this, and I think it's amazingly fun to do. So we're going to pull out over here, down for the other side of the mouth. Curve right here for the kind of lower lip, lower area. Pull it in there just a bit. So, keep going right here at the top head. Curve a little bit. It's going to get all scrunchy. So we're going to draw a curve right there like an accordion. And then we're going to go over here on this side and start another shape right there. Right? The little folds and the chubbiness of it, right? Over here now. Curve underneath the chubbiness of that part of the character. Pull lines over. It's gonna pull over on this side. So right now let's get into the ear to make it look more like, you know, instead he doesn't look like a manatee. Let's go over here. We're gonna go over here. Curve right there. It's gonna aim in down. Line right here. Okay. So far, so good. We're almost done, okay? So stay with me. We're going to draw a pretty big hump over here for the body. And we're going to keep this running till about this point right here. Right on. You're doing good so far. Line over here. Okay. We're going to go here. Now we're going to draw the foot, and the feet are smaller. Like I said, the appendages are smaller or something cute. Obviously, it's an infant. Line down, curve up. Line over here, kind of the curves, because it's squishy. And then curve over here. Down. Down over here. And right at the tip right there. Okay, cool. Gonna go over here now. Downward, curve up for the back foot in the back. Okay. And then over here, same thing. Back foot right there. Okay, let's add some details to kind of finish him off. So he has a little bit of a tail, like a little bit of a tail right there. I think that works. Another thing is I want to fill in the shape here in the back to make it recede, to make it go back into space. Sometimes when you fill something in completely dark, it can either make it come forward or come back. But since it's a large dark shape, it tends to fall back into space. You know, by that I mean the space that we're working with, not outer space. Gotcha. There you go. So he's got little nubs right here. Little nubs, almost like a little paw. So curve right there, little curve, little nub, little nub, little nub, little nub, little nub. Okay. Almost done. We're really close. Okay. So stay with me. Okay. So what do we have left over here? Okay. So we want to have a color change because hippos tend to have a kind of counter shading system, like because they're in nature. So it's going to be maybe about here in this area. So what you're gonna do is, if you're using this marker, by the way, you could do very light-handed here. So we're gonna go back right there. All right, then we're gonna curve it down over here, right there. That's one area. All right, let's go over here now in the back. So here, the stomach, same thing. Right on. And now what we're going to do is kind of like a mostly last thing is we're going to draw a thick line around the whole character. Just a little bit thicker, not too thick right there. See? A little bit thick. Gives it that kind of sticker-like look that I think is incredibly good looking. It looks really good to do that kind of sticker-like look. But it's just a little bit thicker, not too much. I mean, you could kind of do more if you want. You can make it thicker, but I'm going to keep it like that. Sorry, did I knock the microphone? Forgive me. Don't forget to share the video if you can. If you wanna pay the channel back in any way, share the video with like social media or anywhere like that. That does a gigantic favor for the channel. And it takes less than a second, you know. If not, you can just like, and that would also really help. But let's just throw in a couple little more small folds. Maybe another line here on the area. You want to make them look extra squishy. And if you want, you can draw the far side ear over there as well. Draw a little bit thicker like the rest of that line right there. But that is MOO DENG. MOO DENG's, very simple to draw, very easy. If you have any other, let's see, line right here. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'm here in the comments. Even if you comment on a very old video, by the way, I will be here. I will respond to it. Try me. I'll respond to every single comment, okay? So that's it. Stay around for the next drawing lesson, which we're going to go into right now. So stay with me right now. Let's go into the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.